Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
When you are editing from here what you are doing, you are overwriting it, right? Yeah. And inserting new record means you are maintaining the historical record. Also write setting in the import file also. If you are going with full purchase means whatever data is there in the system, that is, get overwritten with the file which you are importing, it okay. Incremental means the record which was there in the system. That will be there, and the file which you are importing, that record will be also there. No, it is like old write and have my idea. Yeah, old and new, both will be there in the historical okay. So if you are doing it first time, then you can go with the full purchase. There is nothing with going with an incrementer. You can go with the full purchase because there is no data in the system, right? So how you have to go it? You have to go and download. So now we are going with the location on downloading the template. So you can see the template will be downloaded. After downloading the template, give me a moment, I will open the template. Can you able to see the record here? Can you able to see the template here? Blank template. Yes. So you can see two headers. Are they right? One is this one, and one is this one. Right, 2 and A, so. So this first header is the standard one. This is called as a IDs, okay. When you go into the XML, then again we will discuss the same. But to avoid the confusion, I am just explaining to you. Whenever you going and creating some record is field will be having one label and one ID, okay. The ID is the first header, okay. Label is the second header, okay. So ID will be always the standard one. We should not go and change the ID, okay. So you can see here, location ID is there. So here also you can see location ID is there, right? So if customer want to change this location ID from where we can change from the provision, okay. So, whatever we have changed this again, when we are downloading that, when we are trying to download the template, the new name will be reflecting here. Okay. But it yes. So what I will do, I will just give me a moment. I will take the sum data here and we will try to fill it out. So can you see here the data? Yes, okay. So I have done for previous batch, I will copy it and we will go and create our new one, but with different values. Okay. So let me take here okay. Again when I go here. Okay, NEC pure update. Okay, then here I will maintain the same. Okay, so name, start date. So whenever we are taking a date, the date format is MMDD by Y. Okay, so let's take here the month as I am taking as April, 1st of April, and I will just copy this, same here also and same here also. Okay, status is active weekly hours and I already linked with the code for the power for the legal entity. I don't have to do anything. Okay, so this, I just done it and I will save it. I will close it. Okay, now what I will do. I need to copy it, so I will copy that particular page. Okay, so let me rename it also. Okay, and I will copy this. Okay, I have pasted it. Maybe the screen is not visible for you people. Now I am going back here. I can go and select the location. I can select full push. Okay, just giving an update. So the air time, the shoulder, it is minimum 10 minutes. If you are going with minimum 10 files, we can able to update easily more than that. It takes some couple of minutes. Okay, so it will be updated because some sort of jobs, are running in the background in the provisioning system. So according to that, it will get updated. Okay, so minimum we need to go with not at least minimum 10 we can able to go. That is the reason, below 10, how much you can able to go, and so here we are going to using the file. File encoding will be UTF-it. Okay, why? We are going with UTF-it because it is in a CSV format. So the CSV format supports the character file encoding as UTF-it. Okay, and then we will go and choose the file. And for choosing the file again when I go back here. I will go to UTF and for the location. This one write 1803. We will just open this. So we are just connected, just validate it.